My name is Ben Youngerberg. I started with Crystal Valley in 2010. I started here as an applicator out of the Janesville location, and when I started there we were just starting with the variable rate application stuff. It was just kind of getting going. I was pretty interested in all of that, and it kind of led to the Crystal View machines. That's a Veris cart that we put on the back and run that through the field to make some better maps for our customers. And after seeing all that technology, again, that led me into helping our customers out with our basic needs of variable rate application with planting. So Crystal Valley being an agronomy first facility, that's kind of their whole thing. We decided that precision planting was going to be the ultimate tool to help our customers, get to where they wanted to be. As I go out there, I build a relationship with these guys. We discuss what they need, what will help them the best, and then I tell them, we obviously provide service behind this. We're not just not a normal precision planting dealer, but some dealers will just sell the stuff, sell equipment. Our biggest deal is we want to service our customers, make sure that they have everything they need to keep it working, because downtime does not help them at all in the season. So we kind of we took on the mentality of walk before you run with this thing. So we keep adding people as we need them to this, just for that reason, because we don't want to leave any of our farmers sitting out in the field. So this is our Elysian facility. This was an old agronomy facility that we had. We'd been using it for storage, and it used to be a seed warehouse, a shop, and a chem storage all in one. And we ended up remodeling a little bit, cleaning it up, finishing off the inside, and so now this warehouses most of our parts inventory that we have, and all of our tools and stuff stay here all the time. We have trailers that we use that are a mobile service trailer. We keep everything that we need in them, so when we go out, we leave here, we go to a shop from a farmer, we can set up, we use the exact same tools in that trailer in here as we do on the farm. So it's just kind of like having your home with you everywhere you go. Easy to work out of. It has worked really well. So I would say we do probably 30 to 40% of our installs in the shop here, and the other 60 to 70% is out at the farm, just because location wise, we're not exactly central to our whole Crystal Valley operation, but we're not far off, so some guys just don't want to transport their equipment that far, so we make sure that we will go out and install on site for them. And then with the service, everything's out in the field. You don't expect them to bring it in season. I would say that we have started some customers that maybe wouldn't have been Crystal Valley customers in the past for agronomy through this business. We've gotten guys that just find us on the internet and they say, I need a precision planting dealer because this is a good product. So they come to us, and lo and behold, they're not too far away. We have seed, chemical, and they're like, I didn't know you guys had all that stuff too. And same with the Crystal View map. It's been a huge deal for the guys that are looking to get into variable rate, find out that we have the mapping equipment to make it work even better.